Good afternoon. Today we will be discussing weekly outlook for bullion. In last 1 week period, after a sharp fall in gold and silver prices, we have seen last night prices has started recovery after the Fed monetary policy clearly told that interest rate hike would not be possible before 2023. Overall, we expect earlier as week has started, we have seen dollar index has started moving on a positive side. We have seen dollar index move toward 92 level, whereas bond yield has crossed first time on 1.68 level. Because of that, gold and silver prices was consistently trading with a negative bias. On domestic market in last 1 week period, we have seen gold prices tested almost 44,000 level, whereas silver prices breached the level of 66,000. In international also, the key levels like 1720 was acting as a strong resistance and 1680 as an immediate support. But last night Fed in the Fed meet, it has been totally clear that interest rate hike would not be possible before 2023, and that has supported the whole sentiment. We can see some more pullback in dollar index to the tune of 91 to 90 80 level that could support the gold prices. As in international prices, now gold is very well supported above $1720 mark, and right now it's at reached 1750 level mark. So as of now, we expect gold can go up to 1770 in next 1 week period. That means on domestic side, despite of rupee strengthening, we have seen prices now moved above 45,000 level mark. Unless and until 44,600 doesn't break on a weekly basis, a bounce will continue in gold prices to the target of let's say 46,000 to 46,500 in next 1 week period. In physical market also, we have seen premiums are continuously rising in China, Singapore, Hong Kong and India also. Demand is continuously rising. Secondly, the concern of second wave in India for COVID is been now slowly and steadily rising, with the number of states are going under lockdown now. That would definitely create a safe haven buying worldwide. So overall, we expect gold now about to turn positive for next 1 week period. Maybe a target of 1770 in international and 46,500 on domestic would be possible. Similarly, silver prices in international market, we have seen 2650 has been breached. Now prices are eyeing for 2750 to $28 mark. That means on domestic market, we can once again see prices moving near to 71,000 level mark. So in all, bullion for next 1 week period, we expect buy on drop should be the strategy. Outlook technically also and fundamentally also looks positive for gold and silver. Thank you. Good afternoon. Today we will be discussing weekly outlook for energy complex. Both the energy commodity, crude oil and natural gas prices, both have been traded with a negative bias in international market also and domestic market also. On domestic side, we have seen around 3% fall in crude oil prices and more than 5% fall in natural gas prices. Coming on crude first, with the update from the OPEC, we have seen prices was continuously getting boost as production cut could be continue in the month of March. But slowly and steadily, demand concern is now again coming up. After the IEA updated that in Q2, demand is expected to be slightly steady, and with the rise of corona cases once again and stopping of vaccines in Britain has given a concern once again about the energy demand. No doubt some support has been seen with the concern between US, China and Iran. That could a little bit support the prices, but in international, Brent is very well trading below $68 mark. May see a fall or retracement towards $65 for WTI and $61 for Brent. On domestic side also, we have seen prices are consistently trading below 5,000 level mark. Unless and until 5,000 doesn't break, a pullback towards 4,500 to 4,450 could be possible. Similar kind of movement we have seen in natural gas prices. As we have stated last time that below 200 level, we can see a sharp fall in natural gas prices to the tune of 175. Up till now, we have seen prices due to the weather condition and lower demand from US has created a pressure on the charts, which because of that we have seen prices moving near to 182 level. Overall, we expect with the hype of inventories, prices can draw down towards 174 to 175. In all, from energy side, sell on rally should be the strategy for coming week for crude oil and natural gas. For crude oil on MCX, we expect a bounce towards 4700 would be the good level to take short. Stop loss would be 4850 and target could be 4500. whereas natural gas would be more volatile. Any bounce towards 188, 187 would be a great level to take short with a stop loss of 194. Target could be 174 in downside. Thank you. Good afternoon. Today we will be discussing weekly outlook for base metal. Since last 1 week period, we have seen base metal prices are now consolidating, but with the weakness. In the month of February, we have seen a great rally in all base metal prices, but now slowly and steadily on the higher side, we have seen some pressure is continuously building. Despite of $1.9 trillion stimulus pack has been given in US, prices are now trying to find some support. Copper, we have seen prices drop nearly 1.5%. Zinc prices drop nearly 1%, whereas nickel prices dropped most by nearly 1.5%. But on the contrary, we have seen because of lower inventory and demand is slowly and steadily improving in case of lead and aluminum that has been supportive. In all, we expect some more consolidation in next 1 week period in base metal prices. With the dollar weakness, we can see some support. Inventories of some commodities are started again depleting. Environmental concern in China has raised some red flags. Because of that, prices are being slightly consolidating. But in all, we expect the longer time frame is been positive because with the stimulus in US, China, and other economy, consumption would continue to be proceed in 2021, and also the inventory concern would definitely support all the base metal. From the trading point of view, we expect copper drop towards 665, 670 would be the good level to take long position, targeting 685 to 690 in next 1 week period. Out of all base metal, we are more bullish in case of zinc. Whatever drop or we can say pullback towards 215 would be a great level to buy, targeting 222. A breach above 222 can find a new level towards 230 in case of zinc. Nickel prices already after the restart of some mines, prices has dropped sharply and now creating a base towards 1140, 1150 zone. Unless and until 1140 doesn't break, there is a hope we can see prices moving back again to 1200, 1220 level in next 1 week period. But we are more bullish in case of lead and aluminum with the reduction in the inventories and consumption are continuously pushing up. We expect prices can go further on upside. Like lead, we are expecting 164 to 165, whereas more bullish in case of aluminum, where prices can test 168 to 180 also. Thank you.